In this video, you'll learn how to edit your products in bulk using Nembol CSV Light Edit template. This feature lets you update values such as quantity, price, barcode or ASIN using SKU codes. It is ideal for teams that want to keep their e-commerce product data in sync with a corporate management system, warehouse system, or ERP. Go to the Products tab, click Import, and select Import CSV file. There are two types of edits. Full Edit lets you update any product data, including titles, descriptions, and variations. You can download the template for this option. Light Edit allows you to edit key inventory data by SKU code. You can use your own template or download ours. Your file needs at least 2 columns, the required SKU code, and at least 1 column you want to update. You can add more columns for quantity, price, barcode, or ASIN. If your file includes additional columns, perhaps because it comes from a system with more information, they'll simply be ignored. In the SKU code column, add the SKU you want to update. Then fill in the new value for this SKU. You can delete the unused columns or keep them blank. Nembol will only edit the values you provided and only the SKUs that already exist in Nembol. Products with SKU codes not included in this CSV Light Edit file will remain unchanged in Nembol. This file does not delete SKUs or products. Once your file is ready, export it as a CSV. Then upload it into Nembol. You'll see a confirmation screen if everything is correct. Note: if there's an issue with your file, you'll see a warning screen asking you to fix it and upload again. Click Import CSV, and Nembol will match the SKU codes in your file with the SKU codes in Nembol and update the corresponding products with the new values. Any change will be shared to your sales channels according to your sync settings. If you need to update additional details in bulk, such as titles, tags, or images, use the Full Edit template.